WinMix. Active raw materials, total raw material requirements. In this video, we will demonstrate the updated active raw materials function in WinMix. To start, open the recipe list. Select one or more recipes. This function is most useful with two or more. Go to Tools and click Active Raw Materials. In the window that appears, you'll see the selected recipes. Enter the production weight for each recipe, for example, 1,000 kilograms for one and 900 kilograms for another. Based on these values, the program will calculate how much of each raw material is required in total. Click OK. In the resulting report, you'll see all raw materials from the selected recipes, combined into one list. If the same raw material appears in several recipes, it is not duplicated, the quantities are summed together. In the weight column you can see the weight of each raw material in kg. Please note, report this function includes marked raw materials, but not client raw materials. You can also change the production weight later. To do this, go to View, Details and click on the recipe. Scroll all the way down in Details and find Weight. Enter the new desired weight. Important, select only one recipe at a time, and set the weight for each recipe separately. That's how you can quickly calculate the total raw material requirements for your production.